Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can easily work with the YouTube search filter. Let's see how. Let's type a keyword, install Java on Windows 10. Press enter. On pressing enter, so many YouTube channels are visible. You can see here. So let's click on the filter option. These are search filter options wherein you can filter on the basis of upload date first or type. It's a video or a channel, playlist, movie or show. On duration, whether it's for short duration less than 4 minutes or long duration that is greater than 20 minutes. Here are the features. If it's a live video, 4K HD, if it is having subtitles or not. Creative Commons, that is videos which you can reuse. Whether it is 360-degree video, VR 180 SDR location and other stuff is visible. You can also filter according to location. You can also sort by upload date, view count and rating. So let's see an example and click on view count. Here it is on the basis of view count. That is, here you can see 2 million views, 995k views, 832 views, and in this way on the basis of view count the YouTube channels will be visible. Let's search for videos uploaded this week on Java. Here it is 6 days ago, that is in the last 7 days, 1 week ago, 4 days ago. In the same way you can filter. Let's go for another option, or let's type something else. I'll close this. Visit Dubai, press enter. Now here it is. In the same way you can search for any location wherein you want to visit. Okay, so I'll go to filter. Now if you want a 360-degree video, you should go for this option. Click on it. Now you can also watch it on your smart TV and it will be a great experience to watch 360-degree videos. I can't show you here because that would be copyright violation. So you just need to click on this and all the 360-degree videos, here you can see 360 videos are filtered. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily use the YouTube search filter. We can search videos on the basis of upload date, type, duration, features, sort by. According to me, the best feature is this one, features, that is 4K videos, the current trend as well as 360. You can easily watch, you can easily filter such videos. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks.